Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be playing with the new Milani palette, Gilded Flora. I got it yesterday in the mail. It took forever to get here, but it's finally here. So if you want to see how I did this look and you want to see how the palette looks, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. She's very beautiful. I'm going to show you some swatches now. I'm going to start with this shade right here. So this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. I love this palette. This palette is gorgeous. And the shimmers are very beautiful. They work better with your finger. But other than that, it's a beautiful palette. I love it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. So this click on the